Radhika ji, congratulations. You are stepping into the 17th Poultry India Expo, which is happening on 26, 27, 28 of November 2025. As I can see, as I can observe, you are there. You are one of the longest serving employees of Poultry India.
Yes.
If I can remember, last 12, 13 years you are here. Just wanted to ask you a couple of questions. सबसे पहले मुबारकबादी है कि you have been part of IPEMA since its early days. How did your journey with the organization begin? कैसे शुरुआत हुई है?
I started my journey in 2014
Okay.
with a simple paper ad. I joined as a coordinator. उसके बाद जितना भी प्रेसिडेंट्स है, कमेटी है, उन लोगों से मैंने बहुत कुछ सीखा है. उन लोगों से सीख के मैं बहुत आगे बढ़ चुकी हूँ अभी. In their guidance, like Chakradhar sir, Anil Dumal sir, Harish Garware sir, and now Uday Singh Bass sir. With their guidance, I'm moving ahead.
Okay. Do you remember the very first Poultry India exhibition? How different it was as compared to today's?
Yeah. It started in 2007 was the first edition, but I was not there for that.
नहीं, आपका पहला जो एक्सपो था
My first edition was
कैसा
in
था और अब का कैसा?
2014.
What is the comparative?
Yeah, 2014 was my first edition with the Poultry India. So when I joined this company, I don't know what is about the trade fair events, corporate events. I was zero knowledge in that. So पहली बार जब मैंने event पे आया है, there were completely 4 halls. When I joined in this company, there were completely 4 halls. So 3 are permanent and 1 is temporary hall, almost with 300 exhibitors. Now we are with 500 plus exhibitors, and visitor we are expecting this year 45,000 plus.
Okay. Over the years, what changes have amazed you the most in the way the event is organized? जब मैं पहली बार 2015 में 14 में आया था तो I saw that on first day or second day there was one mega event used to happen, entertainment. I think that was yours also first
Yes.
event. अभी बाद में वो बंद हो गया. And क्या मेजर चेंजेस आए उस वक्त से और आज के लिए?
See, Poultry India is now moving into with an international standards. जैसा हमारा स्टाफ भी, there is an Indian Exhibition Advisory Committee. They organize a special classes for all the event organizers. So we are going there every year. We are learning about the exhibition industry, how to conduct, how to organize in a proper way. So we are doing like that.
Can you tell more about that certification, international exhibition?
Yeah, it is known as an Indian Exhibition Advisory Committee. They had organized, every year they organize a PTM course for the event organizers. So they will give the training there, how to organize an international trade fair shows. So I'm a certified student there at the first batch. Under the guidance of Uday sir, he has suggested me to go there and learn all the things. And we are improvising everywhere, not in only one section in the exhibition. Everywhere we are improving now.
Okay. What makes Poultry India different from other exhibitions which are happening across Asia,
Yes.
particularly within India among other poultry expos?
See, ours is an exclusive Poultry India comparing to all other shows, and not only in India, in abroad also. All are like animal. They are conducting in animal shows. See, recently I visited few international shows and other exhibitions also. So ours is completely exclusively different. We only concentrate on the poultry,
Okay.
which benefits the exhibitors, visitors, and farmers.
How big is your team?
See, now the Poultry India team is up to 25 members. Everyone are doing the tremendous job. They are working and we are completely occupied. सब लोग उनका काम में busy है अभी, because there is only 15 days to go for the expo.
So, क्या काम अक्टूबर नवंबर में ज़्यादा रहता है compared to other months of this thing as we are approaching?
No, this is
What
a
will you
wrong
be doing
statement.
What will you be doing in other days?
So this is a wrong statement that every people are thinking that. So See, after the exhibition, there will be a lot of work. See, we collect the applications, we'll call the exhibitors, we'll open the new layout, and we are doing a technical seminars in the state-wise, region-wise, and we are trying to connect the people with all the state associations, regional associations, international associations, and now the IPMA is also going for the international platforms. We are participating in Atlanta also in the January. IPMA is going there. Poultry India is going there. We are having a stall.
Okay. Any particular edition or moment that holds a special place in your memory?
It is 2024 Expo. It was very special to me.
Why? What?
Why means there are a lot of reasons. It was first edition, completely responsibility under me and my team. There is a very back support to me. All my team has done a very good job under the guidance of Uday sir, Dumal sir. Everyone supported me.
Unfortunately, I missed that special year of yours. I could not come
Yeah.
last year. So, behind the scenes, what's the toughest part of preparing for such a massive event every year?
Nothing is toughest. If we plan, if we proper organize, nothing is toughest for me. I'm working with a passion.
Okay, yeah, good to hear that. So, you have worked under many presidents and leaders. What has kept IPMA team so united and passionate?
From my joining to till today, I had worked under Dumal sir, Chakra sir, Garware sir, and now Uday sir. Everyone is having their own style of working. So under them, मैंने बहुत कुछ सीख लिया है. Those what I learned from them, now I am utilized. वो मेरे को अभी बहुत यूटिलाइज हो रहा है.
आपको आगे सिखाना पड़ेगा वो
यस
दूसरों को.
या अभी मेरे टीम को भी वही बोलती हूँ मैं हमेशा. जितना भी उनसे मैंने सीखा है, आई विल टेल ऑल द टीम टू माय ऑन फ्लोर. मैं कभी मीटिंग्स में भी बोलती हूँ.
Okay. How do you see the role of the next generation in taking this legacy forward?
दैट वी शुड सी, लेट अस सी. अभी तो चल रहा है यंग जनरेशन का, देर उनका माइंडसेट कैसे रहता है, दैट आई कांट टेल यू दैट.
उनको शेपिंग करने के लिए YEP का
YEP is coming. Yes, YEP is there. It is a young poultry entrepreneurs association is there. Like, Shubham is there, Devinder sir, Kranti madam. They are also working very good, and we need to see how they will take forward this.
Okay. So do you think a gradual improvement in your operations, functions and
Yes,
organizational style?
Yes, completely
Management.
changed. We are working on deadlines. We are working on preparing all the calendars. We are
SOPs,
SOPs, yeah.
Okay. What message would you like to give to the exhibitors and visitors joining Poultry India 2025?
I welcome all the exhibitors, and I am thankful to them for participation in this year. And जितना भी visitors आते हैं पोल्ट्री इंडिया में, all are valued, all are worthy visitors है. जितना भी farmers आ रहा है, उनका support भी है. Farmers are the backbone to our event. I thank them. I thank everyone, exhibitors, visitors, media. Inayat sir, you also thank you so much. You come all along from Bangalore to here. You are taking time and coming, and that's it.
Okay. And finally, what does being part of the Poultry India journey mean to you personally?
So Poultry India, when I started with this, मैं उतना सोचा नहीं था. ये मेरा बॉन्डिंग है. इट्स लाइक आई हैव अ सेपरेट बॉन्डिंग विद दिस ऑफिस, which I can't express really.
Okay.
It is being like a family now to me.
Extended family.
I'm
So I take this opportunity to appreciate you and your team. You people recognize each and every person. 24,000, 45,000 he told, no? This time expectation.
Yes,
45,000.
45,000 plus we are expecting.
इसमें कई हजार लोग आते हैं, तो you know most of them personally by seeing their
Yes.
face. You may not recall, by seeing their face
Yes.
you'll recall which company he is from,
Yes,
which
sir.
area he is
Yes.
coming from, which
Yes.
vertical.
Yes,
So-
and this year you can see especially We are inviting international supporting associations from different countries. Almost from 15 countries we are inviting, like Nigeria, Ghana, Benin, Lebanon, and Uganda Agriculture Minister is also coming here. So we all invited them. So this year is we are more concentrated on an international delegation. You will see more international delegates, which will be useful for all the exhibitors for their business.
Okay. Sometime back you mentioned 4 different presidents you worked under. Can you narrate one lesson from each of them which you are carrying as a legacy? One from each.
From Harish sir is very straightforward. He'll tell always straight. कुछ भी बोलता है straight बोल देता है. From Dumal sir, patience. Chakra sir, I learned system. What is the system? System कैसा चलना है वो मैंने सीखा है. And from अभी उदय भैया से I learned everything. Like ऑर्गेनाइजिंग कैसा करना है, प्लानिंग कैसा करना है, डेडलाइंस पे काम कैसा करना है, वो सब मैंने सीखा है.
इस पीरियड में आपका रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी भी इंक्रीज हो गया.
यस.
Okay, thank you very much for joining us in this quick chat, fire chat with Radhika.
Thank you.
And
Thank you
congratulations once again for you for completing 13 years here
so much. Yes.
and 17 years of Poultry India. So look forward for more years. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.